This is the walkthrough for a dance that we recently did in our line dance class called I'll Be Around. It's a one wall dance. I'm going to show you the steps, and there's already a great video out there where they're doing the dance. So I'm just going to link to that video so you can practice. All right. The dance starts off on the right, and I'm going to show you the move. So we're right, 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 and cross. 1, 2, 3, and cross. 1, 2, 3, and cross. 1, 2, 3, and cross. All right. Now, some people, when it comes to crossing, it doesn't work out. So I'm going to show you a modification that you can do if you're not going to cross. But first, I got to cross just to make sure I can get it in my head. So 1, 2, 3, and cross. 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 Notice I switched up. So if you're not crossing, you can do the side move and still be in the dance. I'm going to try that one more time for you. 1, 2, 3, and cross. 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 The key to any modification is you have to say the cadence. So if you want to stay on point, you have to make sure that you're saying to yourself 1, 2, 3, and cross. 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 By saying the cadence, notice I can switch between the two moves. So I've shown you how the dance was done and a modification in case crossing wasn't working for you. That's move number 1. Okay? Second move we call crazy legs, which is crazy leg slide, in and out slide, in and out slide, in and out slide. That's crazy legs. Keep your moves tight and small. Don't do this. That's not going to work. Don't do this. That's just too much space, too much floor to cover. If you split, I can't help you. And it just makes it a little bit more challenging because the music got a little up-tempo. The song is by Ceelo Green. My recommendation, crazy leg slide, crazy leg slide, crazy leg slide, crazy leg slide. That keeps you in the dance. Move 2. All right? I'm going to put the 2 together and then show you what move 3 looks like. Okay? 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and cross. 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 Crazy leg slide, crazy leg slide, crazy leg slide, crazy leg slide. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Did you notice? After my last crazy legs, I said in, out, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to show you that again. In, out, or excuse me, out, in, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I'm tacking that on to the end of crazy legs, it looks like this. Crazy leg slide, crazy leg slide, crazy leg slide, crazy leg slide, out, in, 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, boom. Okay, we're at the last part of the dance. So I'm going to show you that again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, boom, boom. Okay? Because that's the part of the dance. So I'm going to run it so that it looks fluid from that crazy leg slide. Okay? 5, 6, crazy leg slide, crazy leg slide, crazy leg slide, crazy leg slide, crazy leg slide. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the end of the dance. And then we start with the top. Okay, so again, I don't have a name for that last part, just boom, boom. But the last part again, and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, boom. So if you're looking at my feet, out, in, right, left, boom, boom. So I hit the left, boom, boom, out, boom, boom, out, boom, boom, out, boom, boom, out. And that last time you do it 4 times, I use my left foot stays planted, my right foot pivots me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I start all over. 1, 2, 3, cross. And excuse me, I should be crossing to the back. 1, 2, 3, and cross. 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 Crazy leg once, crazy leg twice, crazy leg 3 times, crazy leg 4 times. Out in 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, 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 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. That's the whole dance. All right, I'm going to put in a link to a video. I think Linda Sims does out of New Orleans. She has a video of the dance. It's not a new dance, it's a pretty old dance, but I think her video will give you good practice and practice the steps without the music. Just get comfortable with the steps that are challenging. And then the way I teach it in classes, we take each section. So we put on the music and we just practice that one move. So I'm gonna also put the link to the song in the description for you. And what I typically do is I tell class, okay, let's practice first move. 1, 2, 3, and cross. Now we'll turn on the music after we think we have the step, and we may just do that movement for the whole song. It's repetitious, but this is how your mind will help you learn the steps by repeating. Repetition is what gives you progress and what helps you learn something. So after the class has mastered the first step, then we'll go on and add on, and then we'll turn the music on and we'll work on the second step for a couple of bars. And then we'll stop and we'll start the music again and put step 1 and step 2 together. That's what I recommend that you do if you really want to learn to dance. Your other option is if you happen to be in Lawrenceville, Georgia, you can come to the class at Rose Jordan Park in Lawrenceville on Wednesdays at 7 to 8:30. In either case, I hope you like the dance. I hope the walkout helps you. And let me know. Leave comments. Oh, subscribe and follow if you haven't already done that. And share with other people that like to dance that might want to be able to learn from the walkout so they can, from the walkthrough, and they can share and follow too. Thanks. Have a good one.